Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a brand new video of Facebook. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add call button on your Facebook page. So then make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, make sure to update your Facebook application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So then head over to your Facebook application. After you're logged into your account, tap on the try bar icon located in the top right. And then from the menu page, tap on pages. So once you're on your page, what you have to do is you'll have to tap on the three dot icon located in the bottom right, and then on the other interface will be directed to page settings and you have a list of options. So from there, tap on edit action button. So then tap on edit button, which is right at the bottom. After you tap on edit button, next interface you have a list of options. So from here you can select any of these following options that you want to add it to your Facebook page. Since our video is based on how to add a call button on Facebook page, so then you'll have to mark on call button right over here. So after that, you'll have to enter the detail or the phone number, and once you're done entering the phone number, tap on save, and then the call button will be added to your Facebook page successfully. So in order to make sure, you'll have to head back to your page once again and then open up the profile and you'll be able to see the call button on your Facebook page. So that is how you can add a call button on your Facebook page. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.